Flashback.
Stuff's like peanut butter.
End of flashback.
So I had some of this left over and let it harden on here. And man, it hardens to like cement, which is hard to sand. Hard as a rock. Definitely in this section right here, I went a little crazy with the belt sander and got some, I don't know if you'd call these deep spots, but I can definitely feel those with my finger. So we're gonna fill those in, no problem. Okay, it seems to me that if I want to fix these horns on this door, because there is quite a bit of difference here, that I need to build this up to get to here. But that is quite a bit. I mean, we're talking at least 1/4 of an inch. So it seems to me that I need to build, and I'm probably over-engineering this, but I need to build some kind of form. Because layering this fiberglass filler up is gonna take forever. And it's like peanut butter, it's messy, it drips, and if you get too much on there. And same thing with the other side. If I wanna build that up so it's got a nice smooth transition, I think I need some kind of form. That door is slightly open, by the way.